St.Mary Church was medieval church located in Oslo, Norway. The church ruins are located in the Middelalderparken near the neighborhood of Sørenga in the board of Gamlebyen. St. Mary's Church has been built of stone in stages with final additions made in the 14th century. A major remodeling in the 1200s gave the church a new Gothic core. Major rebuild in the 1300s added two large towers to the west and the new large cruciform core. It was a royal chapel and an important political role, as its provost from the 1314 also was Chancellor of Norway. The church was set on fire in the connection with the Swedish War of Independence from the Kalmar Union in 1523. In the aftermath of the Protestant Reformation, it was so dilapidated that it could not be repaired and was demolished in 1514 too. St.Halvard's Cathedral was the former Oslo Cathedral. It fell in disrepair in the 17th century and is today in ruins. This site is located between Bispegata and St. Halvard's gate in Oslo, Norway. St. Halvard's Church was the earliest cathedral in Oslo. The cathedral was built during the early 12th century. Oslo was abandoned after a devastating fire in 1624 and the foundation of the new city, Christiania, about 1 kilometer further west. St. Halvard's Cathedral was used as a church until about 1655. Besides being the bishop's seat and religious center of Eastern Norway for about 500 years, the cathedral was the coronation church, royal wedding church, chapelle royale, and one of the Scandinavia's most visited places of pilgrims.